Congress has asked states to bypass this farm bill. The Congress-ruled states, are building their own strategy on how they can bypass the farm bill. This is going to be extremely interesting. There's a fresh controversy that is brewing right here. Arvind, what are the details?
Jessica, in a matter relating to the concurrent subject, both the state legislature and also the parliament can make laws in connection with any matter relating to a concurrent subject. So farm agriculture and the farm bills is a concurrent subject. Both the parliament and also the state legislature, both of them can make their own laws. So in this present case, now the parliament has made three laws relating to the farm sector, which are being opposed by the Congress-ruled states. So now the Congress president has advised the Congress-ruled states to pass their own laws in their own state legislature, and then they have asked all these Congress-ruled states to forward those bills to the president for his signature, because under Article 254, subclause 2, if a state legislature is coming up with a law that is repugnant to the parliament law, if the state government forwards the same law to the president and the president signs the state law, then that particular state law will hold in that particular state. So using Article 254 of 2, subclass 2, which is also called as a repugnancy route, the Congress has asked all the Congress-ruled states to pass their own laws despite being repugnant to the parliament law, and then forward it to the president to get the signature of the president so that can hold. But the very important question here is that will the president give his assent to the state laws, because he has already given his assent to the central law. Because the state laws will of course be against the center's law, will the president sign that particular law? So that's one question which the Congress governments have to think before sending the same thing to the president. But it looks like Congress has a political strategy, they will be doing it. But this is not the first time any party is actually saying, or any state has actually done this. We have seen it several cases, like the Jallikattu matter in Tamil Nadu or the 69% reservation matter in Tamil Nadu. In both the matter, despite the central law being opposite, the Tamil Nadu state government had passed their own laws, and then they had forwarded it to the parliament, to the president. The president had given his assent under 254 too.
Well,
even
the
then Finance Minister Arun Jaitley had given a similar advice to the states in 2015 when even the BJP government was in center. Then Finance Minister Arun Jaitley had given the same advice to the states in connection with the Land Ordinance Act.
Right. Extremely interesting to note these details. KC Venugopal, of course, has tweeted about this, saying the Congress president has asked Congress-ruled states to explore the possibilities to pass laws in their states under Article 254(2) of the Constitution, which allows state legislatures to pass the law to override the central law, which then comes in for presidential assent.